What is up, Prince Squad? Y'all listen.
OMG. Hey. Dang.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that?
See, if you get ready before I come there, just let me know. I'll come on in.
Y'all hear that? Do y'all know who that is? If y'all don't know who it is and y'all want to know, y'all better stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
All right, Prince Squad, I got a special guest today. This special guest was highly requested. If y'all saw my other video, my worst customer on the Green channel, so I'm gonna let y'all see who it is.
Hi guys, it's me again, Sin's mom. Well, I had her helping me to do some sashes for the school, and I did one for a queen, and also I did one for a king. They're choosing a queen and king for the Mardi Gras parade. And for the queen, after everything is finished, I really didn't know exactly how big the little girl was, so I kind of took a guess. And I did waste a little material. I made it a little big. And since it's for Mardi Gras, I took this and I put a little pin in the back of it. And this goes on here. Once she put it on, size her up, put that on to bring the Mardi Gras spirit. And for the little boy, you're going to do the same thing. But since it's a boy and they don't like ribbon, I kind of went with the feathers to bring the Mardi Gras. The feathers for him. Oh my goodness. Anyway, and this is the finished product. It looks like this.
School set.
The ribbons go down there. And this is for the Mardi Gras parade.
What is that over there?
These are the hats for the parade. These are the Mardi Gras hats. This is for the king. And this is for the queen. It's going to be looking like this. And I use the bows and the flowers just in case you want to keep the they want to keep the sash for something else. All they would have to do is just take the bows off. It's a little pin on the back of it. Take the bows off and use whatever else they wanted, or they could just kind of pin it right there. Don't have to use anything on it. And that's the sashes. Thank you guys for watching me.
All right, Prince Squad. That was my mom. I don't know what else to say because this her video right here. So I'm just not gonna say too much. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the green and the red channel. And hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And also follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick and also join that Prince Squad group on Facebook. That's all I have for you today. Prince Squad out. Now what you was gonna say?
Oh, if y'all was to sash your baby, call us.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I'm just joking and you got me on there for real. Take me off. No.
Okay.
I was trying to be funny.
You sure you don't wanna?
I was trying to be funny when I said that. No, I'm done.
And that's all? Nothing else you gotta say?
No, that's it.
All right. You want to tell them the price when it's all said and done, or that's it, or what?
That's it. I'm done.